In this video, I'm going to show you how we can schedule the date for the DP-900 Microsoft Azure course. So first of all, go to the any browser and just type the DP-900, and you can see here the first link. This is the Microsoft Certified Azure Data Fundamental course, and this course is for beginners level, and the role is data engineer. And to give the exam, you have to they booked your date at first. So just click on the take the exam options, and just type your country over here. So if you are from United States, then you have to pay 99 USD. Likewise, if you are from India, Nepal, it depends upon where you live, right? So first of all, choose the country, and if you want to give the online exam, then click on the schedule exam, right? So after clicking on the schedule exam, you have to fill this form. So you can put here the permanent address or temporary address, and after filling this form, you have to be careful while filling this contact email. If you enter here your office or college email, then there might be some restriction in your office email or college email, so you can use your own email. And after giving your country name, phone number, and after filling this whole and this informations, so just click on this submit button. So first of all, I would like to fill this form at first. I have just filled all this field, and now I'm gonna click on this submit options. So after clicking here, it will redirect into the another page. So it will take some time to redirect into the another page, and you can see here is a one important section. So if you are going to give the test, if you are going to give your DP-900 course in your test center, then just choose the first options. Otherwise, just click on the on view online with on view. So it will just after clicking here, you have to be careful before giving the exams. So just test your computer. It means your computer has the proper camera quality, and then the sound system is okay, and you must have to sure about that you turn off all your VPN and everything is okay. So you can just click on this system test, and after clicking here, it will open the another website, and just restart your computer before you try to take an exam, and just click on these options. And after that, it will request you to download one software, that is on view software. And after downloading that software, you have to set up that software into your system, and it will check your the sound, and then the your internet connection, and the camera quality and everything, that is okay for to give exam or not, right? And also second option is your testing space. So you must have to sit inside the quiet place, so there isn't any while giving the exam, you have to be sit in a very quiet place, so no other people can enter into your room, and the other sounds and distraction, you have to avoid such types of things. So after that, in third option, you have to show your government ID, that might be your citizenship or the license or the passport. And after that, you can watch simple short video over here, and you can just prepare for your exam. So after watching these all those things, be careful about these things, and just click on the next options. And after choosing your language, just choose your preferred language. I'm choosing here the English, and again click on the next options. And after clicking on the next options, I have already registered for the I already registered for the DP-900 exam, so I cannot move further from here. But there is a very simple steps. So you have to fulfill your credit card informations or payment informations, and all the email, all the exam details and the link will be provided into your email address, and you can get all those things into your email. And you must have to be sure about that, you must have to join before 30 minutes to before actual exam will start. So the exam will take 65 minutes, it means 1 hour and 5 minutes. So you have to join before 30 minutes. It means that 30 minutes time you have to set up your software and everything that needed to give the exam. So and it will total take 65 minutes for the real exam, and you have to be aware about the 30 minutes before the exam. So it means almost 1 hour and 35 minutes. and it depends upon the prices vary from the different country and the region. So if you are giving it from the Nepal, then it will take the $31, because uh, tax will be the here 7% tax will added. It means it will total uh, price will be $62, and it will provide you the 50% discount. It means it will be only $31. So you can just check it out and be comfortable, and best of luck for your exam. If you have any confusion regarding this video, regarding the booking your schedule for the DP-900 course, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please do like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.